Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Lincoln Navigator, Lincoln's king-sized, luxury-packed 3-row SUV. And yep, for 2025, it's not just the size that's massive. The starting price tag has crossed into the six-figure club. We're talking a base price now at around $102,000, which is over $15,000 more than last year's model. So, what's driving that price jump? Well, Lincoln decided to ditch the base Premier trim, making the Reserve trim the new entry level, starting at $101,990. From there, prices only go up, especially if you add the Jet Appearance package, which bumps it to $104,990. And if you want the top tier Black Label trim, that's a cool $118,490. The long wheelbase option can add up to $2,995, making this Navigator quite the investment. Now, what justifies that big price tag? Lincoln's packed in a ton of new features to make this Navigator a standout. The exterior has a refreshed look featuring a new grille, hood, and both front and rear fenders. The back of the SUV got the biggest overhaul with a redesigned two-piece tailgate. The top section lifts up while the bottom drops down. Both sections can even be set to open automatically as you approach, and the lower gate can hold up to 500 pounds. But the interior is where the magic really happens. Lincoln's added a stunning 48-inch panoramic horizon display stretching across the dash, split into sections for apps, widgets, and more. And here's a cool twist. When you're parked, that massive screen can project games or videos. The refreshed Navigator is ready for orders now, with deliveries expected to start in spring 2025. Let me know what you think about the 2025 Navigator's changes. Is it worth that extra cost? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, see you in the next video.